Hi, Michelle here. Back into Google Drive. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually share a link with a file that's already there. So again, I'm going to share my screen. And here we are in Google Drive. Let's move my video out of the way because it's almost always in the way, isn't it? So you've created a document or you've uploaded it and it's now in Google Drive. You finish editing it and you've come back into it. But you realize that you actually do need to share it with everybody else or to share it with a number of people. Let's not go everybody else. To do this, find the file and all you need to do is to select it. Once it's selected, you now get a link that you can choose to get a sharing link. So if I click the button, get a link, it now shows me, let's get rid of that. It shows me my sharing link. So this is slightly different from sharing it with specific people. This actually will give you a link that you can now copy and paste. So first thing we need to do is not worry about the link. We actually need to look at the settings. So as you can see at the moment, it says restricted. So only people added can open the link. So that's telling me that I would need to actually choose specific people to share it with. If I want it a bit more open, I can change that to say anyone with the link. And all I did was I clicked on the drop down arrow next to restricted, anyone with the link. Now, this tells me that the permission has been updated, and you can see anyone on the internet with this link can view because it's viewer. If that's all you want to do, now copy the link and you can paste it in. Alternatively, if you actually want people to be able to work on it, to edit it, we need to change viewer, and we've got commenter and editor. So viewer means you can only see it. Commenter means that you can add comments into it, and then finally editor lets you actually, well, edit it. So let's click editor. Again, it updates, it's telling me, and I can copy the link and I can now share that with anybody that I need to and paste it in. So let's go into, let's click done. Let's go into the document because why not? And let me scroll all the way down. And if I paste, you can see that there is the text, that's the paste. So actually, it's really simple within the immediate files. So I'm going to close this down. The other option that we've got there is actually the share it. And when I click share, it now asks me, who do I want to share with? So there's the slight difference. So I can get a sharing link, which admittedly I've got down here as well. But in this case, I can actually choose to share it with particular people. And all that means is typing in somebody's email address. And you can see it's going to actually send them a link this time. It only sends them an email, a message, and the link because I've got notify. If not, I can take that off and it won't send a message out. Let's say, hi, here's the link to the file we need to be working on. And since I like to do this properly, let's make sure it's a capital. I can check that they are an editor rather than a commenter or a viewer. And then all I need to do is click send. So it's saying that there's no Google account, but that's not a problem. And they need to, I can share it anyway. And now I've added that person. You can see, although I did this share before, I've got two little heads and shoulders, and that's telling me that it's shared. I can click on that. I can double click on it. Nope. Let's go back. I can click on the share icon and it does tell me who's actually already got permission. I can, if I need to, I can change their permission and I can remove them as I need to as well. So quick way to either get a sharing link or to send a share link to specific people. That's it for now. Don't forget, if you like this, to please like this video, to join my channel, and to don't forget to ring the bell. I will get there in the end, and to ring the bell to be reminded of new new videos as they are posted. So that's everything for now. Bye and see you next time.